To find other APBP members, navigate to the Directory tab in the main menu. You can then conduct a basic search to look for members using one or more items, including first name, last name, company name, or email address. The advanced search allows you to search for members beyond the basic search fields, including location and community membership. Let's search for all members in the state of California. Once you've conducted your search and a list of members appears, you can then directly send a message to a fellow member by clicking Send Message, or you can add them as a contact. Once you select Add as Contact, the member will receive a message in their APBP community inbox as well as in an email, and they will have the opportunity to approve or deny the connection request. You can view all of your connections by going to your profile, then My Connections, and Contacts. Your contacts will be listed under the subheading Contacts.